Hello good people and welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect and we grow. In a short video, we are going to learn how to use Microsoft Power Query to split data in Excel. If you take a look at this data, I have names and account numbers. But unfortunately, instead of having these two sets of data in two columns, they've been put in one. My goal is to separate the names from the account numbers. The challenge is I don't have a pattern or a consistent number to even split this by. There's a way around this. Here we are going to use Microsoft Power Query, a very powerful tool to clean, shape and transform data in Microsoft Excel. If you are using Microsoft 2016 and beyond, you can find Power Query under Data. It sits in the group called Get and Transform. If you are using earlier versions, it sits in as an add-in with Power Pivot and Power Query. So now let's proceed. What we are going to do is first convert this data into a table. So to convert this into a table, you highlight and you press Ctrl T. The table makes it easier to add new data, and it also makes it easier to identify the header and the content. So here I identify my header and I'll click OK. So this is now a table. The next step is to connect Power Query to this table. So standing in this table, I'll go to Data and I'll connect it to a table, which is one of the sources you can connect a Power Query to. So I'll click this and it opens up this new pane or window that is the Power Query editor. Now it gives me a snapshot of the data you saw earlier in my worksheet. Here you can transform the data, you can add columns. There are several things you can do with Microsoft Power Query. The good thing about this is that it's automated. So whatever you do here, you don't have to do it again. It's going to run the process anytime you add new data. Now for this exercise, we are just going to split our names from numbers. You can find that under Home and you see Split Column. So here, when you come down, there are various options. You can split by delimiter and all that. This is our focus, to split it by non-digit to digit. So I'll do this nicely. I have my names here and I have my numbers here. You can rename. So these are my names. And then I can also put my account numbers here. All these steps have been recorded here. So it's easy to undo a process or see how the data has been cleaned from source. So once you are done, you can load directly and this will be loaded as a table, or you can load to, and there are options to load this as a table, a pivot chart, or even use it as a connection. So here, I'm going to put it side by side, this original table here, and I'm going to click OK. So what I have here is now I have my data nicely split into the name and account numbers. As I was saying, when you have new data, you could easily repeat this process. So let me add this data to my right, cut this, and then paste this under the original set. Because the tables, it just expands the table easily. Now I'm going to refresh this, and you observe that the new set I added has been expanded, has been added here, I must say, and I now have my names split from my account numbers. There are lots you can do with Power Query, but for now, practice this and add it to your list of Excel tricks. You can receive these short videos directly on Mondays and Fridays on your phone. Just send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. Visit our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.